Hi, my name's Mindy, and this is a brief tutorial to give you a tour around DrJava, an integrated development environment for developing Java source code. This tutorial won't involve any coding. We'll do that in another tutorial, but we'll get you started using DrJava. And this is the screen when you open up DrJava. On your right side is your definitions pane, which is like a basic text editor. It'll show your current active source file. On the left side is your list of open files. And right now you can see I've got only one file listed named untitled. And until I save my source code, it will list it as untitled. As soon as you save something, it'll come up with the name you've given it. And across the top here, you've got your menu bar with all your commands. And you notice it has the commonly used shortcut keys. So it's pretty easy to use this. Not much new stuff to learn. And at the bottom here is a list of the most recently opened files. Now if you look under Edit and go to Preferences, we're going to make a few changes here that will make your life a lot easier. Under Display Options, you should check Show All Line Numbers and apply. And now you'll be able to find your errors. When you get an error message, you can find it easily by looking at the lines. Under Fonts, I like my font pretty big so I can see it. So do that, and then it'll preview it down here. And one other little change to make is under Miscellaneous, indent level. I would make it 5, that way it's easier to see the logic in your program. And apply. Now another thing, if you ever get to the point where you've made so many changes and you can't figure out how to undo things, or you've made some change that you don't like and you can't figure out how to undo it or where it is, you can always go through and set everything back to reset to defaults, and it won't undo everything, and then you can start from scratch. So across the bottom now we've got our interactions pane, which is like a scrap page. You can test out your code without writing a main method. You've got your console here, so when you output to the screen, it's going to show up down here, and your compiler output, where you get your compiler warnings and error messages. You need to check your language level. It should be set for full Java, so you don't get strange error messages. At the different levels on the language, it only allows you certain features to use in Java language. So even though you think you should be able to do something, you'll get some strange error message because you've got your language level set to something beside full Java. And I would recommend looking at your quick start. It's got some easy to read, handy little tips. Tells you about some of the nice features in Java, and will help you get started and make your code writing a little smoother. So these are the basic features of DrJava, and hopefully you'll stop back in and see some of my other tutorials about how to code. And you'll be on your way to making your millions as a software developer. So thank you for stopping in, and I hope to see you again. Bye.